Yo, how's it going, fans? Today I will be teaching you guys on how to do a zoom effect in Kinemaster. Let's start. How to add a video, because that's how you always start in editing a video. Duh. So this is our video. This is our precious video. Yeah. So the first step, what we're gonna do is you guys have to learn on how to cut. So what you have to basically do is just click on a part of a video, click this scissor thing, click split at playhead, and this happens. Which means this is like when you do some editing here, the edits of here doesn't get affected of what you have edited here. So that's why it's really important to learn how to do cutting things. So let's do it again. Split at playhead. So now we have a part of a video that is being separated from the other clips. So what we have to do next is we have to click this. Then after clicking that, we click this cropping size thing, and it says here start position and end position. So what basically means is that if you, for example, for start position, I will zoom in this dude's face. So the video would look like this. The video would look like that. But if the end position was the one being zoomed in, it would look like this. It would look like that. So that's how simple it is. And if you want to learn how to do a zoom effect, that's very quick. All you have to do is just make this small, for example, like that. Then if you want it to be steady, like it won't move, because it's what you learned in here, it will move. For example, if I do this in start position and I also do this in end position, try to make it equal as possible, it will be really hard because look, it's like it's moving. So the best way and how we can do that is, again, we have to make it small. Then click this three dots, duplicate as layer, and there we have it. So this is like a small part of the video, and this is a good thing because now we can make it small and make it like this. So it will be steady and it will not move. For example, like that. So yes, if you guys learned something in this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to use Kinemaster and how to master it, so that you can have really good edited videos. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day. See ya in the next video.